Welcome to the Curiosity Club. Hey there, science explorers. Have you ever wondered how things work? Why does the sky change colors? How does a tiny seed grow into a giant tree? Well, get ready to unleash your inner scientist because the world is a giant laboratory waiting to be explored. We're going on an adventure to uncover the mysteries of science and math, right from your own home. Science is all about asking questions and finding answers. Math helps us solve puzzles and understand the world around us. The best part? Learning about science and math can be as easy as playing games or doing simple experiments. Get ready to have some fun, get your hands a little messy, and maybe even impress your friends with some cool science tricks. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
Kitchen science magic. You don't need a fancy lab to do science experiments. Your kitchen is a treasure trove of scientific wonders waiting to be discovered. Your kitchen is already full of cool stuff. Everyday items can turn into amazing experiments. Let's make a volcano erupt. It's one of the most exciting experiments you can do at home. You'll need baking soda, vinegar, a tall container, a small cup or bottle, dish soap, and red food coloring. Optional. Instructions. Pour vinegar into the tall container, filling it about halfway. This will be the base of your volcano. In the small cup, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with a little water to make a paste. This will be the core of your eruption. Add a drop of dish soap and red food coloring if you want your volcano to erupt with red lava. The dish soap helps create more bubbles. Carefully place the cup with the baking soda mixture inside the tall container of vinegar. Watch your volcano erupt. What's happening? The vinegar, an acid, and baking soda, a base, react when mixed, creating carbon dioxide gas. This gas forms bubbles, causing the eruption. The gas bubbles up, causing the eruption. Try it yourself. It's a fun way to see chemistry in action. Experiment with different amounts of baking soda and vinegar. See how changing the quantities affects the eruption. Does the size of your container change the eruption? Try using different size containers to see how the eruption varies. Have fun experimenting.
Math is fantastic! Math is more than just numbers on a page. It's a secret code that helps us understand patterns, solve problems, and even predict the future. Let's play a math trick. Think of a number between 1 and 10. Multiply that number by 2. Add 6 to your answer. Divide that number by 2. Subtract your original number from the answer. The answer is 3. How does it work? No matter what number you start with, the steps in this trick always lead to the same answer. That's the power of algebra, using letters and symbols to represent unknown numbers and solve equations. Challenge time. Can you create your own math trick? Try different operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and see if you can stump your friends.
The science behind your screen. Have you ever wondered how you can video chat with a friend miles away or watch your favorite shows on a screen? It's all thanks to the magic of technology and science. How does Wi-Fi work? Wi-Fi uses invisible radio waves to send information between your devices and a router, which is like a mini mailbox for your internet connection. When you click on a video, your device sends a signal through the router to the internet, and voila! The video appears on your screen. It's like magic, but it's science. Engineers use their knowledge of waves, electricity, and coding to create the amazing technology we use every day. Think about it. What are some other ways we use technology to communicate and access information?
5. Become a science detective. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Put on your detective hat and let's investigate some everyday science phenomena. Why is the sky blue? Sunlight is made up of all the colors of the rainbow. When sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it scatters in all directions. Blue light scatters more than other colors because it travels in shorter, smaller waves. That's why we see a blue sky most of the time. Why do plants need sunlight? Plants use sunlight to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Just like we need food to give us energy, plants need sunlight to grow and thrive. Keep exploring. What other science mysteries can you uncover in your own backyard?
6. Share your discoveries. Science is more fun when we share what we learn. Did you try the volcano experiment? Did you come up with a cool math trick? Tell someone about it. Share your results with a friend, family member, or teacher. You can even make a video or draw a picture to explain what you learned. Remember, science is all about asking questions, making observations, and sharing your findings with the world.
Have you ever looked up at a plane soaring through the sky and wondered, how does it stay up there? It seems impossible, but it's all thanks to the amazing power of science. The secret is lift. Lift is a force that pushes something upward. Planes have specially shaped wings that help create lift. When air flows over the curved top of a plane's wing, it has to travel farther and faster than the air flowing under the wing. This difference in air pressure creates lift, pushing the plane upward and keeping it in the air. It's like magic, but it's science. Engineers use their knowledge of aerodynamics, the study of how air moves around objects, to design planes that can fly safely and efficiently. Think about it. What other things fly? How do birds, helicopters, or even kites stay in the air?
Ready for another mind-bending math trick? This one is going to blow your mind and leave everyone around you in awe. This one is sure to amaze your friends and family. Here's how it works. It's simple yet incredibly effective. 1. Ask a friend to think of any 3-digit number. It can be any number they like, from 100 to 999. 2. Tell them to write the number twice, creating a 6-digit number. This step is crucial for the magic to work. For example, if they chose 123, they would write 123123. It's like doubling the number visually. 3. Now for the magic. This is where the trick starts to get really interesting. Tell them to divide that 6-digit number by 7. This might seem random, but trust the process. Don't worry, it will divide evenly. The result will be a whole number, no decimals. 4. Next, have them divide the result by 11. This step continues the magical journey. Again, it will divide evenly. The magic is still working perfectly. 5. Finally, ask them to divide the result by 13. This is the final step in the division process. One more time, it will divide evenly. The magic is almost complete. 6. The answer will always be their original 3-digit number. It's like magic, but it's all math. The secret. This trick works because 7 times 11 times 13 equals 1001. It's a mathematical marvel. When you multiply a 3-digit number by 1001, you're essentially writing it twice. This is the key to the trick. So dividing by those 3 numbers in reverse just undoes the multiplication. It's like a mathematical undo button. Challenge time. Can you figure out why this trick works? It's a great way to test your understanding of multiplication and division. Hint: think about how place value works with multiplication. Understanding place value is the key to unlocking this trick.
Keep those brain muscles working with these fun and engaging science and math challenges that are perfect for curious minds of all ages. Build a tower challenge. Using only spaghetti and marshmallows, see who can build the tallest, strongest tower. Experiment with different shapes and structures to find out what works best. Can you make it even taller than your friends? Sink or float experiment. Collect different objects from around your house. A cork, a spoon, a toy car. Gather as many items as you can find and get ready for some surprising results. Fill a sink or tub with water and make predictions about which objects will sink or float. Write down your guesses and see how many you get right. Test your predictions and see if you're right. Discuss why some objects float while others sink. What did you learn from this experiment? Math puzzle time. If a train leaves New York City traveling at 60 miles per hour and another train leaves Chicago traveling at 70 miles per hour, how long will it take for them to meet? Think carefully and use your math skills to solve this puzzle. Hint: this is a trick question. Pay close attention to the details. Remember, there are no wrong answers when you're experimenting and exploring. Every mistake is a chance to learn something new and exciting. The most important thing is to have fun and never stop learning. Keep challenging yourself and discovering new things every day.
Congratulations, science superstars. You've learned about erupting volcanoes, the secrets of Wi-Fi, the magic of math, and so much more. But the journey doesn't stop here. The world is full of amazing things to discover, and the more you learn, the more you'll realize how much there still is to know. So, keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and never stop exploring the wonders of science and math. Remember, you don't need a fancy lab or expensive equipment to be a scientist. All you need is curiosity, creativity, and a thirst for knowledge. Who knows what incredible discoveries you'll make? The future of science is in your hands. Keep up the amazing work, and never stop reaching for the stars. Pause 2S. Have fun, my friends, and see you in the next video. Remember, every question you ask and every experiment you try brings you one step closer to becoming a true science wizard. Whether you're mixing up kitchen concoctions or solving tricky math puzzles, your curiosity is your superpower. So put on your thinking caps, grab your notebooks, and keep exploring the incredible world around you. Until next time, stay curious and keep the magic of science alive in your hearts. Goodbye for now and happy discovering.